Here's how we create a monthly summary on ClinicSource. So we create a new summary and we copy and paste all of our visit dates for that month into the progress to date. This is a lot easier if you use two different tabs, one with your visits page open and one with this page open, so that way you can just quickly copy and paste. Another thing that you want to make sure that you do, and I will show that in a minute, is you go and you make sure that you write down for each visit, the total units that you use. So you'll see in a second that I will go up and I will fix the first visit and let them know like how long that this client was seen. And this client was seen for 2 hours, so that's 8 units. You also, at the top where it says service date, you want to go up and select the date range for the specific month that you were seeing that client. When you do a discharge summary, you'll do the entire range, but for this, you just want to do the month that you are summarizing. I'm working really hard. Clearly, this is our fake client, So for wraparound, the place of service is always going to be other, so the 99 one, because that is a community-based one. You want to make sure that you've got the correct session frequency. There are all of your goals, and then I have a little bit of an issue here with my Wi-Fi, I think. I'm not sure what's going on. This has so many goals just because we use this client all the time. You want to mark your goal chart visible. Write something that the family or the client does well in the strengths category. And then you want to comment on something that they can continue working on in the weaknesses category. Then you'll leave some sort of recommendation. I made this pretty plain. They need to continue therapy, maybe join a club for social skills. And then I always check continue services at the bottom just to get that. Then you'll save and sign this document, sign with a red pen at the top, and you will be good to go. Then you'll come back out to the documentation tab. You want to make sure to check the box that says summary next to it. Then you're going to hit the envelope on the toolbar. You're going to select the wraparound facilitator that you want to email the summary to, create your subject line. We always just say monthly summary with the client's initials. You also just want to write a quick message and remember that this is coming from the patient portal, so it's not coming from your collaborative change email, so it doesn't get responses or anything like that. So I like to let them know who it came from. I know how to spell my name. That was voice to text, just so we know. You're going to check the password protected. You're going to change from the social security to the patient's date of birth, and then you're going to hit send, and then it'll generate the PDF and it'll send it directly to the wrap facilitator, and you're done.